Galaxy S10 release, full specs, UK price, and new features revealed by Samsung. Samsung's Galaxy S10 smartphone has now been officially revealed, and here's all you need to know including release, UK price, and full specs. Samsung Galaxy S10 launch live. After months of rumors, leaks and endless speculation, Samsung has finally revealed its Galaxy S10 to the world. This stunning new device was unveiled at one of the Korean firm's famous Unpacked events, with it arriving packing some features never seen before on a Galaxy. As expected, the Galaxy S10 will be joined by two more smartphones called the Galaxy S10e and Galaxy S10 Plus, with the latter offering fully loaded features and the other arriving in your pocket at a much cheaper price. So, if you are after a new Galaxy, here's all you need to know about these latest and greatest Samsung devices. Samsung Galaxy S10. Expected price, from £799. The Galaxy S10 is likely to be most popular of the three phones, with it featuring plenty of upgrades over its S9 predecessor. Samsung has revealed that this new flagship will arrive sporting a 6.1-inch Quad HD and Dynamic AMOLED screen which stretches across the whole of the device. In fact, the screen is so big, Samsung has been forced to punch the 10-megapixel front-facing camera through the screen rather than opt for a chunky forehead or iPhone-style notch. Along with being bigger, the Korean firm says it will offer users a better viewing experience with much more accurate colors appearing on the immersive screen. Spin the S10 around and you'll find an intelligent triple rear camera system. This trio of snappers offers a 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens alongside a 12-megapixel wide and 12-megapixel telephoto offering. Along with bringing better zoom capabilities and wide-angle photos, Samsung is boasting that its AI will now recognize exactly what you are shooting and change the settings accordingly. Along with these changes on the outside, there's plenty going on under the hood, with the S10 featuring a faster octa-core 8nm processor and a 3,400 mAh battery, that's up from the 3,000 mAh power pack you'll find on the S9. Other new extras include an embedded ultrasonic fingerprint scanner under the screen which Samsung says will work in all weathers, and there's also something called wireless power share. Similar to the Mate 20 Pro, this new technology allows users to refill other phones and accessories by simply laying them on top of the S10. And to show how good this feature is, Samsung has released some wireless Galaxy Buds which can be refilled instantly via the phone. Those buying the S10 can get it in two versions, with 128GB and 512GB models, both available at launch. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus prices from £899. The S10 might be the most popular option, but if you want the most powerful Galaxy, then the S10 Plus should be top of your list. This device includes all of the features found on the standard model, but there's a bigger 6.4-inch screen and dual front-facing selfie camera. You also get a huge 4,100 mAh battery, and this device can be configured with 12GB RAM and 1TB of internal memory. There's also two exclusive colors with the S10 Plus available in a ceramic black and white. Samsung Galaxy S10e prices from £669. If you're looking for a cheaper option, then the S10e could be a good option. Samsung's entry-level S10 is not as feature-packed as its bigger siblings, but still arrives with a decent 5.8-inch flat AMOLED screen, dual rear camera, and 3,100 mAh battery. Users also get the wireless power share feature, but there's no embedded fingerprint scanner with this security sensor placed on the side of the phone. Those choosing the S10e will get an exclusive color option, with the phone arriving in canary yellow. All of the Galaxy S10 models are amiable today, with anyone pre-ordering the devices getting a free pair of Galaxy Buds as part of the deal. The phones will then ship to customers from March 8.